Well, Barclay, come here. Come here. Barclay is on a diet. He has put on weight and he has to have this much a day. But the problem is that the only way he will eat them is by, Barclay, come, me giving him one at a time out of plastic mug load. So, and if I try and give them, Barclay, that's a good boy. Good boy. If I try and give them sort of like this, oh, hang on. No. Usually he doesn't like them. Here, try them like that. Ah, he must be getting hungry. The problem is he's put on weight. Haven't you, Barclay? So anyway, we'll have to see how it all goes, won't we? He's 11.5 kilos.